Okay, so we're trying to diagnose an issue with the furnace here. Here we go. Let's see. So the blower doesn't kick on time. And the thing gets, the burner gets too hot. And the burner shuts off as the blower's turning on. So we're just gonna see what happens here. Okay, apparently this time it worked just fine. But what it did was it smelled like burn. So this time it worked just fine. The control thing is just right up there for the blower. And that's the thermostat that starts it. But right now apparently it's working just fine. So maybe the tapping that we did to the thermostat is working. So, seem to be good then.